This is LKR Soap and Such. One of the first soaps that I ever made when I started soaping several years back was a 100% coconut oil soap. And I needed to make a new batch of it, so I thought that we would do it together. You want your oil and your lye to be at 100 degrees when you make this soap. A lot of people make this for laundry soap, but we actually use it for our skin. It's just a really good staple soap. So I'm checking my lye water. I've got it at 100.6, and my oils are at 104.7. So I'm gonna cool this a little bit and we'll blend them together. This is a great soap to make for beginners because it's very easy. It's one oil and your lye. And my husband loves this soap. It's anti-microbial properties in the coconut oil are good for any fungal issues for men. Sometimes I put a cedarwood oil or a peppermint oil, essential oil in there, but today it's just plain soap. I got myself a new mold that I want to put them into because if you do them individually, they're a lot easier to work with than slicing them, cutting them. So here goes the lye water into my coconut oil. And this will not take long at all. Very short process. I'm just going to blend those a little bit. And then put the stick blender in and burp it a little. And let me turn this so you can see it. We'll go for it. That is blended well. We're not going to add anything to it, so I will pour it into the mold. Here's my new mold, the pink one. I've been using this old blue mold that I got for $1 at a garage sale. If I have any extra, I'll put some things in there, but I'd like to do the pink one first and see how many it makes. I made my sea salt spa soap in these, actually my Himalayan pink sea salt spa soap in this mold just a week ago, and I really liked the way they turned out. They were like a 7-ounce bar because of the salt. Well, we didn't exhaust our soap, so we're going to go into our little round mold. I really like the 100% coconut oil soap. It cleanses well. I actually use it as well if I need to wash something out by hand, and it is a very good laundry soap. But there we have it. That made 8 little bars. I wanted to go ahead and show you my pink Himalayan sea salt soap. I actually put kale and clay in there as well. And I tried to cut one of them and it crumbled. So when you make the kale and clay and sea salt soaps, you want to put them in molds as well and not slice them. They really make a nice bar. You can grab a hold of them and they fit well in your hand, but that's a 7-ounce bar of soap. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video sharing with you how to make 100% coconut oil soap and showing you my kale and clay and Himalayan pink salt soaps that I made just last week. Please like and subscribe and share, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.